Did you know that the moon is not just a pretty sight in the night sky? It's a fascinating celestial body with some mind-blowing facts. For starters, the moon is Earth's only natural satellite, orbiting around us at an average distance of about 238,855 miles. That's roughly 30 times the diameter of Earth. One of the most intriguing things about the moon is its effect on our planet. The gravitational pull of the moon is responsible for the tides we see in our oceans. When the moon is aligned with the sun and Earth, we experience higher high tides and lower low tides, known as spring tides. And when the moon is at a right angle to the sun and Earth, we get neap tides, with less extreme tidal movements. Another cool fact is that the moon is slowly moving away from Earth at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year. This is due to the tidal forces between the two bodies, causing the moon to recede gradually. So, in the distant future, the moon will appear smaller in our sky than it does now. Ever wonder why we always see the same side of the moon? It's because of synchronous rotation, meaning the moon rotates on its axis at the same rate it orbits Earth. This phenomenon causes one side of the moon to be permanently facing us, while the other side, known as the dark side, remains hidden from view. And here's a mind-boggling fact. The moon has quakes. These moonquakes are not caused by tectonic plates like on Earth, but by the gravitational forces exerted by Earth. They can be strong enough to create cracks in the moon's surface, known as wrinkle ridges. Lastly, the moon has a very thin atmosphere called an exosphere, composed mainly of helium, neon, and hydrogen. This lack of a substantial atmosphere is why the moon's surface is pockmarked with countless craters, as there is no atmosphere to protect it from incoming meteorites. So, the next time you gaze up at the moon, remember that there's a lot more to this celestial neighbor than meets the eye. It's a world of wonders, mysteries, and scientific marvels just waiting to be explored.